Hello friends, welcome to our course Threat Hunting in Cyber World. So in this part we'll be looking at real world hunting process. So as I've already stated, the definition of threat hunting is finding out stuff. So it's basically the human centric process of proactively searching out for the evidence of an attack. So any kind of an attack which has occurred in an organization or which has been ongoing in an organization, you need to find the evidence for such a kind of attacks. So the threat hunting is the application of vulnerable models or frameworks to a problem. So the experienced threat hunters have a better model which they work upon and then they carry out the threat hunting process. So in this part, in the real world scenario for carrying out threat hunting, let's look at a simple example of how you proceed in your threat hunting process. So we'll look at attack centric hunting over here. So what exactly is attack centric hunting? So in this attack centric hunting, you focus on seeking evidence that identifies a specific kind of an attack. So that's what finding or searching out for evidence of an attack. So how can you do that? By asking questions. So there are four type of questions you can ask to yourself. Question number one is like, has the attack or incident occurred on my network? What am I looking for? Where am I likely to find it? And how can I manipulate the data to find it? So based on the questions which you are asking, you will find the answers, and that answers will be helpful for you to continue your threat hunting. You will gather evidence about the attack more and more based on the answers which you have been answering over here, and then you will be able to perform your threat hunting in a more effective and a more mature way. So that is the most critical model which you can be using for threat hunting in the real world scenario, attack centric hunting. So let's look at an example of this. So let's assume that a credential theft has been happening on your organization, or it has been a more valid attack which has been happening in the cyber world right now. So what are the things you need to ask yourself? Has the credential theft happened on my network? So what am I looking for? So it will be the evidence of credential dumping application execution, never been seen before process and execution. The answers over here will be able to help you to continue your threat hunting program or threat hunting process. So that's will be your answer for what am I looking for. The evidence of those credential dumping application execution and any kind of process which is never seen before or process anomalies. Where am I likely to find it? In the Windows process execution logs. And how can I manipulate data to see it? What kind of data? Aggregate event IDs 4688 by process name for all endpoints and sort by least frequent occurrence. So event ID 4688 is process execution event ID. So in that scenario, in looking after the event IDs of 4688 and the least frequently occurred scenarios, we can be able to execute, find out something like there is some process execution or some credential dump has been happening in your organization. So this is a real world scenario where you ask questions to yourself like, what am I looking for? Where can I find it? How can I get it? So all those scenarios will help you to find your answers, and that answers will form a base of your evidence for an attack. This is a very simple example of a real world hunting process. Similar to the credential theft, you can look out for any other scenario such as lateral movement, pass the hash attack, or server compromise, or asset compromise, or other kind of an attacks which an attacker seems to carry out. So that's all for this part. It was just to show you a new model which is attack centric model, where you can ask questions to yourself like, where is the attack happened, where am I likely to find it, how can I get it, the data to find it, how can I move ahead, and then the answers will be providing a base for you to find the evidence for an attack. And what is an evidence of an attack? That's searching out for something. And what is searching out for something? It's your threat hunting. So hope you're liking this video series. We'll be looking at some other techniques in next part. Thank you very much. Bye bye.